In this video, I'm going to show you how to effectively change your page name, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. After logging into your Facebook application, the next thing you want to do is to locate the page or navigate to the page that you want to change its name, okay? Click on your profile picture to the right, then click on the arrow down button, then choose the page. I'll go with the second page, okay? Then, after doing this, after navigating to the page, the next thing you want to do is click on the profile picture of your page to the right, this one here, okay? Then scroll down, click on settings and privacy, then click on settings. Then you want to scroll down, just scroll down, okay, I missed it somewhere here. Okay, just scroll up with me. Now, under audience and visibility, you will see this icon or button for page setup. Just tap on it. Okay. Now, the first option that you will see at the top is the name. Okay. Now, tap on it. Now, currently my page name is Oko Tech Solutions, but I can edit the name. Okay. Now, you will edit the name to whatever you want. Then review changes. Okay, let me just show you what I'm talking about. Maybe you want it now to change it to Oracle Solution. Now just tap on review changes. Then submit it for approval. By doing this, you will be able to change your page name. Then you must remember something. If you change your name, you can change it again for 60 days, okay? Let you know if this video helped you, and please guys, remember to subscribe so you don't miss when we upload another new video. Thank you.